Shall I stop if I feel pain after practice?
The Qigong movements are slow and mild, so they shouldn't cause pain. If you feel pain, you must check whether you are doing it correctly. Did you stand or sit appropriately according to the posture instructions? Did you force the movement using muscles or bones? Did you move too quickly? Did you have some physical issues lately? Is it pain or just discomfort? At an earlier stage, Qigong practice might lead to discomfort. For example, you get used to hunching your back and sticking your chin out. You need to tuck your chin in Qigong and keep your spine straight. You might feel tired, uncomfortable, or even sore. Soon, that discomfort and soreness will be gone once you form a good posture, and you will feel even better